Friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sunny and you are watching Prakhar Sunny channel. So today I will tell you how can you transfer your photos, videos, files from the share it to your PC from your cell phone. So it is the cell phone as you can see, and you can transfer it to your PC the files without using any wire or USB cable. So for that, first you have to download the share it from here. So I have downloaded it, and then after downloading the share it, you also have the share it in your PC and in your cell phone. Both places share it should be have, and then you will open the share it, and here share it will also be open, and then this share it will open in this type and this will this type. I can do the Wi-Fi connection from here, search hotspot, but I am not doing because the Wi-Fi connection of this area is very bad. So that's why I am doing the show QR code, and from here these four blocks are coming. We will just click on it and this four options will come. Then we will show and scan QR code. Then we will click from here. Then the scanning will be started, and see it will be scanning like this, and it will be scanned. And as you can see, it is saying connecting to PC, and see my laptop is also of PC, so it is taking the connection. The connection is going on the connection, and now you can see that the connection has been done. And now I will tell you that how can you do. You can just click on your files, and after that you can click on internal storage. If you want to send your DCIM, means all the photos and videos and files, so for that you can click on DCIM. And I am only just telling you that how can you do. So for that only I am sending some important things, that this video that I have selected, and next it is not a video, it's a page, and then it's a page of my work, and then it is showing like this, that it is downloaded, and it is here showing success, so that it means that it is downloaded. And now I will tell you that how can you get it in your PC and how can you open it and where it will come. So for that you just simply cut, and from here you can just cut the connection from PC and OK after your work, and OK, and then I will cut it. Now the PC and the share it of the phone is closed, and then now I will go just simply to the share it. This I have opened my share it. This is my share it, and I have opened it. It will open in this type, and then just simply I will go in these three lines. I want to show you this three lines, this one, three lines. I will go to these three lines, then this options will come. Then you will click on file transferred. From here the file transferred menu will appear. Then you can go Samsung Galaxy J8, it's the name of my phone, this phone mobile that I am using, Samsung. After that it will show like this. Then we can click on documents, because we have sent a single picture, that's why, and we can get our things from here, that downloads, and as you can see the photo has come. So it's a very good method to transfer videos and pictures and apps to your phone to PC, and it's very safe and it is wireless. Okay friends, bye bye.